Find the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350. So first we will write all even numbers. How to write? The AP is the even natural numbers between 1 to 350 are start even. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Is it possible to write up to 350 here? So I am taking 3 dots here and the last term is 348. Why I am taking 348 as the last term here? Because here it is given between. So in between 1 to 350. So 1 and 350 not including. In between even numbers are 2 to 348. Next number will be 350. So even 350 is not including in the list. Only between numbers we are writing. So after writing the sequence, we will take the first term, that is 2, and difference, that is 4 minus 2, that is also 2. Now how many terms are present in between 2? So how many terms are present from 2 to 348 even numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how to count up to 348? Here numbers not listed in between, is it? So what to do to find n? Here how many terms are present? Not given in the question, or not we can't count also. So what to do? First we will find n here. So after that, here it is asked to find the sum. After finding n, we will find sum of these numbers. Okay, so how to find n here? By taking Tn formula. So here, what is Tn in this particular sequence? The Tn is 348. Last term is equalized with Tn. So Tn is equal to 348. So now use the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So the last term is Tn. So in the place of Tn, we will take 348 is equal to a is 2 plus n. Number of terms. How many terms are present in this sequence? That is not given. So we will take n as it is, minus 1 into d is 2. So 348 is equal to 2 plus, multiply these 2 to both n and 1. 2 into n, 2n, minus 2 into 1, 2. So 348 is equal to, now positive 2 and negative 2. Answer is 0. So 2n. So therefore 2n is equal to, I am writing in this manner, 2n written in left side, 348 in right side. Therefore n is equal to 348, and while taking this 2 to right side of equal sign, it comes in the denominator, that means divide. Normally in between 2 and n, no sign given, so we'll consider it as into. In the next step, while taking this 2 to right side, it becomes division. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 remains 14, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fours are 8. So n is equal to 174. So here how many terms are present from 2 to 348? 174 terms are present. 174 numbers are present. So how to add these numbers? So the sum of even natural numbers between 1 to 350 is, write it, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus so on up to 348 is equal to S 174. Sum of 174 terms are present here. So it is written S 174. This is equal to how much? Now write the formula Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d is equal to, now S 174 we are finding, n number of, in the place of n we are taking 174. 174 by 2, 2 into a is 2 plus 174 minus 1 into d is also 2. So here we can simplify. 2 ones are 2 8s are 16. Here we have 17, 1 remains, 2 7s are. So 87 into 2 2s are 4 plus 174 minus 1 is 173 into 2. So in the next step, 87 into 4 plus 173, 170 multiply 2, 6, 1, 346, that is equal to 87. Add these numbers, 346 plus 4, 350. Now multiply this 87 and 350. You will get the answer 30450. So the sum of 174 terms are 30450. Therefore the sum of even natural numbers. Write the conclusion. I am writing conclusion here. Therefore the sum of even natural numbers between 1 to 350 is 30450, 30,450.